And you can
I started by removing all grass to clear the space. I've leveled the soil and packed it tight to make us strong. Watered the area to help the soil settle. I knew exactly where my concrete would go. Next, I mixed the Quikrete in a bucket, slowly adding water and the color until it reaches the right consistency. Add the cement color until the water. This color is terracotta.
okay. For so far, this is the final results of me laying down the bricks. As you all can see, they are different colors: terracotta, light gray, dark, light, terracotta. I like that one next to the terracotta right there. But I'm gonna choose to paint them terracotta, and I'm very happy. I'm very pleased of the work, the hard work that I done with these bricks, with this area, and it's more to come. I'm gonna show you guys the transformation I've been planting plants, and now I'm almost done with the bricks. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, because next clip is me showing you guys how I'm gonna paint these bricks. Okay, my friends, so right now I am showing you guys everything that has been. Now I just gonna go ahead and paint them, because I paint them different colors. I'm gonna insert a picture for you guys to see the different colors and the process that I was doing so far with the bricks. So right now I'm gonna paint the bricks one by one by hand with this color. There is water roofing concrete color. Most likely you can find it at Home Depot or Lowe's, and it's gonna last you. So I'm gonna check this paint, and check this paint. Okay, laugh aloud. And this one I think is bigger. And I'm just gonna move the paint to, just to make it a bit even. And I'm just gonna go ahead, as soon as I open it, I go ahead and insert the brush inside the paint, as you all see. And I'm just gonna soak it with the paint. Literally, I'm just gonna soak it with the paint, and like that, it's gonna be more easy to maneuver the brush, because look, it's very hard right now. It's not even flexing. You see, it's not flexing, but it's gonna come out. It's gonna get loose. See? It's almost done. That side there, area here, the area that you just see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the rocks. I have to see what I'm gonna do with this leaf. It's like, you see guys, I put rocks. I clean that area there, the area that you see behind me. I clean it up, and I put some other brown rocks there. But every day I have to reg this patio, because I have a mango tree in top of these bricks. So it's gonna be a lot of leaf around, and I have to keep up with that job. It's gonna be a job. It's gonna be a job to be picking up leaf every single day. I'm trying to maintain this